today in this video I'm going to be reinstalling my wig, so just stay tuned. So the first step I'm going to be doing is just cleaning up around the wig cap with some alcohol. This is just going to prevent any build up and remove, some makeup, and just keep your hairline nice and clean, okay? So now I'm going in with my Ebin, my holy grail. Love this spray. And I like to do 2 layers and dry in between the layers. And honestly, this is the easiest way for me to reinstall my wigs. Like, I don't use lace glue. I want to try it out, but this is the easiest, quickest method for me, and it be given. So at this point, I'm getting ready to lay the lace down, and I'm making sure to pull and lay it really, like, taut is like the best word I could use for this. Like, you want to make sure you stretch out the lace completely so that way it lays flat, and then I'm just gonna go in and repeat those steps on each side. So next I'm going to be taking some mousse, and I'm going to use this to swoop my edges. I like to use this because it doesn't leave them hard and crusty while I use the elastic band to melt the lace, and it just gives a little more natural appearance, Okay, so here's the most important step for a flawless reinstall. You have to melt your lace, ladies. Like, melt it, okay? It makes a difference. And make sure you tie it tight. have the elastic band on, now is the time that you're going to want to use the hot comb, smooth down your hair, and get it as flat as possible. Okay, so next I'm going to be doing some flat iron curls. This is very simple and easy to do and super quick. So if that's something you guys would be interested in getting a tutorial on, just let me know down below in the comments. Okay, so now that the elastic band is off, I'm taking some spritz and I'm just going along the edges of the lace just to kind of get rid of any like dry, crusty looking spots and just further melt it, you know, further give it more scalp. And then I'm just gonna clean up around the edges of the lace with some alcohol once again, just to clean her up. You know, we don't want no sticky, icky little bits laying around. And then put some makeup on it, and then that's it. Like, we're done. It's really giving what it was supposed to have gave. Like, I'm really feeling this side part, and these curls is just giving me just bombshell. Yes, I love it. If you are interested in this wig, it's going to be linked in the description box. It's also linked in my Amazon storefront, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Bye.